Letter A. Hi, I am Tanya, and this is the fifth lesson in the Easy Russian alphabet. Here we have beginners playlist, and in these videos I give you the letters from the most to least frequent ones. By the end of this course, you will be able to read the Russian alphabet easily. Today, we are going to work with the letter A. Ah! So, you can see the letter A in the chart. We use this letter in almost every word in Russian. But this video is not all about just the letter A. I am going to give you basic words, places, and some facts about Russia. And we are going to learn how to read Russian names in their shortened forms. You'll get a set of lines for chatting and some writing practice. Please don't forget to check the links below the video to get some new printables. Good luck and have fun! Reading. And here comes the letter A. In this course we learn the letters. For phonetics, please check the course about the sound system of the Russian language. So, letter A. A capital, A lowercase, A block, A cursive, and best they have block or casual cursive for A. 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 Letter A sounds like A in most of the cases. Papa, Mama, Tanya. Hey, hi, it's me. Try not to overpronounce it because it is considered a little bit too rough and rude. Still depends on the region. But compare. Пожалуйста. That's a normal spelling. Пожалуйста. And пожалуйста. One more time. Пожалуйста. If you want to sound like Russian Karen overpronouncing A as a tip. Подвинься, я сказала. Just a friendly reminder, rules from English don't work in Russian. It's obvious, but remember. Letter A, when stressed, sounds like A in car. Карандаш, лампа, доска. Attention! When A is not stressed, it's mostly reduced and it sounds like it in sound E. Compare часики and часы. Часики, часики. Часы, часы. Or if you don't like how to pronounce this unstressed R, just pronounce any letter really fast. That's fine. So, here are the new cards with the words. Let me read them for you. A, ad, aj, aha, as, ach, a, ad, ash, aha, as. And now let's mix them with the letters we already know. Еда, нота, она, та, ода, дано, надо, ната, а то. Еда, нота, она, та, ода, дано, надо, ната, а то. And the conversations. Это она? Нет, это он. Это та нота? Нет, не та. Это еда? Да, это еда. Данте, это ад? Нет, это мем. The next is reactions. A gives us an opportunity to show all the range of reactions. A, ah, 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 ah. Okay, we can use it in chatting. Reactions. Юля. Я его люблю. Таня, я переезжаю в Питер. Сергей, ты тоже не понял, что случилось? Ага. Наташ, все поломалось. А? So, and this is a problem when you need two different alphabet systems. And actually, that is also what I have in my brain. And you know, my brain sometimes forgets to change the keyboards, and I have something like this in my head. А? Катя, позвони мне. Okay, chatting tip. In common, is when your hand got something. Амар, ну чё, когда в универе будешь? Now, let me show you cursive letters. I write a phrase and you try to find the letter A there. Это мама Анна. Это папа Алексей. Okay, where is the letter A? Pam, 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 pam. Oh, Anna. Pam, pam, pam. Yoo-hoo, we have found. Names. Many popular names start with the letter A. I think this one is the most famous one. Anastasia. Alexander. Alexei. Artyom. Agata. Angela. Anna. Alla. Lots of names have A in the middle or in the end or both. Nata. Tanya. Danya. I promised you short name forms, so let's read them. Anastasia. Настя. Alexander. Sasha. Alexei. Лёша. Артём. Тёма. Анна. Аня. Татьяна. Таня. The names of some cities start with the letter A. Архангельск. Архангельск. Астрахань. Астрахань. Анадырь. Анадырь. You can find these cities on the map. And now we move on to the next part. It's time to write, my dear friends. A is the rather easy letter and copies its English variant. Thanks, Latin. There are some variants of the letter A, like this, that, this one. I usually use this one. For some big variant, like a small one, like that. Just this one. Some fancy. I think that school one should be something like this. Oh yeah, great. I still remember. So, the tip is to try not to mix A with E, O, or any other letter. I collected different variants for you, and PDF with the exercises is below the video. You can print it and copy them. Well done. Now, we'll work with warm-ups. It's time to have a little warm-up, and we need a paper and a pen or a pencil or anything to write with and something to write on. So it's time for a little warm-up. So let's get started with the A. So, yay. First, you write a circle, then a stick. Circle and stick. Circle, stick. Circle, stick. Yeah, great. Yeah. So now let's try to write it with one line. Oh, it's a little bit harder. Super. Just pay attention to the connections, because one day when you're probably gonna read something written by Russian, so it will be something like this one. Connections. So here we have just by the way, with Russians write it like this. You probably never will find someone who read this variant, so that's just for the books, this one for the people. Yoo-hoo. The next is us. Ga. Pa. Pa. Papa. Ma. Ma. Mama. Try to keep ma somewhere at the center, because this is Sasha. There are no word like this one, but it's Sasha if you want something more or less from the real life. Yep, this is a word, Sasha. That's Alexander, by the way. Great. Like this one. So this one is kind of like schoolish. I don't use this variant a lot. I mostly have this one or like that. Just the stuff. Yeah. Love you. Thank you all. Спасибо. Now you can read the letter A. If you need something more, write me your comments, subscribe, like, share the video with your friends. Пока-пока. See you.